What's up, everyone? It's Marco Hanna from PhoneDog.com coming to you with an unboxing of the first 2K phone announced. Not available, but announced. This is, as you probably already know, the OPPO Find 7. Not the Find 7a, the 1080p variant that we already looked at and reviewed here at PhoneDog.com. This is the bad boy, the big boy of OPPO's Find 7 range. It's a Find 7 with a quad-core 2.5 GHz processor, 3 GB of RAM, and obviously the 2560 by 1440 display, awfully similar to a device called the LG G3, which we are still looking at the review coming out tomorrow of the G3, so make sure to stay tuned here at PhoneDog.com. I've been using this as my daily driver. It's been an awesome phone, but enough of the G3 plugin. This is the OPPO Find 7, and before we get to the box, let's give a quick shout out to Best Buy Mobile for giving us devices like this for use in our One Pod Bandit giveaway game here at PhoneDog.com. If you walk into Best Buy Mobile, you can walk out working for your text messaging, emailing, all your client setup right there at Best Buy Mobile, so thanks for you guys for giving us devices. So let's go ahead and crack open the box. Very similar to the other OPPO boxes and also the OnePlus boxes, just because they're basically the same brand, but not really. We'll go ahead and just tear off this little cardboard piece. And there we go. Again, very, very similar to the Find 7a. Same box, same black plastic box. It's not a cardboard, actually. That's a really nice box. We'll move on to the cardboard to the side here, and we'll find a place to put our dirty little fingernails in here to open this package up. And just to show you that it is really just a variant of the Find 7a, here is a Find 7a, so we'll use this for comparison. And ta-da! There we go! The OPPO Find 7. And that is some pretty beautiful packaging in there. Find 7 profile, Find 7 text right here. This is the device itself. We're just going to pull this out, and there we go. Ooh, we have the carbon fiber mesh on the Find 7, but again, here's the Find 7a. Very, very similar. No differences whatsoever. The only difference is the weight, but obviously there's no battery in the Find 7, so we'll put that to the side right now. We'll go ahead and lift this part up. We also do get the same quick charger like the Find 7a, so you can charge your whole phone in about 70 to 80 minutes is what they say for the Find 7a. This one has a slightly larger battery because it has a bigger display, obviously, or a more pixel-dense display. So this might be a different timing there. We're also going to find a pair of earbuds, or this is the USB cable, and we're also going to find a pair of earbuds. I'm going to give you that USB cable because the quick charger actually does not have a removable part to it. It's just one whole piece. And then the battery we'll find inside this little booklet here, so we'll set that to the side there, and we'll put that into our phone. We'll move this packaging out of the way, and we'll go back to the phone. All right, so let's find a place to put our fingernail in there, or you can maybe... This was actually already propped open there. Ooh, that's a little scary. Okay, there we go. So we found a place here. We're just going to pop in the battery. It goes in this way. Now, this works on GSM only because it's a GSM banned phone. So T-Mobile and AT&T users, rejoice if you're Find 7 and Find 7a. If you're on Verizon or Sprint, I'm sorry, guys, you can't use this. We'll just snap the back case in there. There's lots of click points you have to push down. Jeez, look at that. All right, there we go. And we're going to go ahead and hit the power button. Boom. OPPO. We'll peel back the screensaver or protector here. Ooh. Sharp display. It looks pretty good. There's actually a screen protector underneath the screen protector. That's kind of funny. I might take that off there. But again, 5.5-inch display, 2560 by 1440. That means 534 pixels per inch. We have a 2.5 gigahertz quad-core processor, the SnapDragon 801, 3 GB of RAM, and this one will be running Android 4.3 with ColorOS. This could have CyanogenMod. You can preload it on there, but that's not what it comes with initially. We'll go ahead and go through the setup menu here. We're going to choose English, United States, and the display looks pretty good, actually. Might do a quick comparison here with the G3. Okay, so I picked this wallpaper here just so I can demonstrate the colors and the accuracy of the IPS LCD display. We're going to go ahead and bring in the LG G3, which has the same size display, same pixel count, basically the same panel, because it's most likely produced by the same people, which are LG, obviously, because they are a great display manufacturer. And really, I cannot tell a big difference between the LG G3 and the OPPO Find 7. Why? Because they are essentially the same panels. I'm not sure how they are in terms of color accuracy. I'm definitely going to find that out in the next couple days and weeks here. Or I'm going to have the full dogfight between the Find 7 and the OPPO, and also the LG G3. I'm getting my phones mixed up here. And we also have the OPPO Find 7a, which has only a 1080p display. And we'll go ahead and just compare those two. And yeah, I mean, I can tell a slight difference. I mean, it's not a huge impact there. I mean, even you guys can see it's not a huge impact in terms of pixels per inch or really how clear or good looking the display is. But there is a slight difference. And the only reason why I think the G3 looks a little bit better is the bezel is almost not there. On the front of the phone, it's basically dominated by display. And it's a more attractive build in my opinion, even though it's not as solid as the OPPO Find 7 with that metal banding, but the G3 just looks more attractive to me. And even on the side profile, I would pick the G3, and it is a smaller phone. Even though it's the same display size, it's a smaller phone than the OPPO Find 7. So let me know what you guys want to see from the OPPO Find 7. I'm sure you guys want a dogfight between this guy and the G3 and the Find 7a and the S5 and the HTC One, and we'll definitely have that in the very near future here at PhoneDog.com. So leave me comments below, or you can send them to me directly on Twitter at PhoneDog_Marco. Again, my name is Marco Hanna from PhoneDog.com, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.